Yes, Just Winging It crew is back, everybody, for the eagerly anticipated hot wing review of none other than Slim Chickens. From humble beginnings in Arkansas, the place used to look like this, but now looks more like this. Stylish. Slims are really putting it out there that everything they do is super fresh and cooked to order with the finest ingredients. Slims are probably the first place I can think of that is serving Texas toast. Now, Texas toast is unfamiliar to the UK shores. It's basically toast that's buttered both sides with herbs. It's pretty nice, and they serve it with meals. It's different, it's cool, and it's big in Texas. Interestingly, when I first had my first Slim Chickens, the wings looked like this. So they were tossed in sauce prior to being served, and then you could add sauce to them, which I really liked. It was different. Nobody else was doing that. They look more like everywhere else now, which is dry and crispy, but you add sauce to them. Either way, really excited for the Winging It crew to try this place, so let's go.
Such a good time, really good time.
The restaurant itself is simple but effective, stylish, like I say. They don't overdo it, but it's clean, it's tidy, it's smart, it's modern.
What are you saying?
They look good. Oh yeah! Okay, it's time to get stuck in there.
Okay, really crunchy. Came out really fast. Big, really nice juicy big wings. Coating is really nice. Not a massive amount of flavour in the crumb and the batter. That is brought by the sauce. Got the Inferno sauce. And it's absolutely fire. The Inferno sauce is absolutely fire. Pretty good, pretty happy.
Big, massive wings. These are the biggest I've seen in all the good quality. The breading's amazing. It's crisp, it's dry. Chicken succulent. Seasoning's decent. I agree. It's not top notch. Archie's are going to batter it with a standard, but the sauces, Buffalo, is top notch.
Okay, so I've just tried another sauce, and it's the Buffalo sauce. The Buffalo sauce is absolutely beautiful. They've really got that right. Yeah, fantastic. Buffalo wings from Slim Chickens are excellent. Gotta go with an 8 out of 10. Yeah, really happy. It's cool. It's a cool place. It's got a nice vibe to it. Obviously, it's all about chicken. And yeah, it's good. It's a good place. Does it beat Popeyes and Archie's?
The sauces, Buffalo, is top notch. That's what makes it. I'm going to say 7.5, pushing an 8 on a good day in that region. Good quality.
Okay, so were we a little disappointed that Slims didn't blow the competition away? Maybe a little. But all in all, Slims is good. Really good. The food's good. It's a great place. It's stylish. It's all fresh. It's made to order. Would we go back? Yes. And would we recommend it? Absolutely.